Jimin sit on the bed. Jimin, he didn't come yet. It's 12 a.m. He don't know the time. Maybe Jimin is feeling so worried for his husband who didn't come yet. He never come late. It's first time happen, and also he is not attending his calls, not giving him reply to his messages, which is making him more scared. He is in his thoughts when the room door open. A handsome man enter in the room. Jimin see him and stand up. The man look at him. Jimin and then sit on the edge of the bed. Yoongi, you didn't sleep. His voice is calm and cold. Jimin is used to. Jimin, I'm waiting for you. Yoongi, you no need to wait for me from tomorrow. Jimin, now you always come late. Yoongi, you care? Jimin, I do. He said while looking down. Yoongi, I don't think so. He said and go in the bathroom for fresh up. Jimin sighed. Jimin mind. Jimin, you again the things. How can you? Here's Jimin come in the room with the food of tray. Yoongi look at him. Jimin, Yoongi, come to dinner. I know you must didn't eat anything. Yoongi, I am not hungry. You eat and sleep. He said and sit on the couch, start to doing something on his laptop. Jimin sit on the bed in front of him, staring him. Jimin, please, Yoongi, Yoongi. Jimin, see, I said I am not hungry, so it's mean I am not. You eat and sleep, and from next time, no need to wait for me. Jimin eyes become teary, but you know it's Yoongi also. He didn't say further and lay on the bed, placing the tray on the table. Yoongi looked at him. 10 minutes passed. Jimin didn't move. Yoongi he fell in sleep. He think and went to check him and see Jimin is sleeping with his spot on his face and some tear mark on his cheeks. It's Yoongi heart. She also lay on the bed and start to think about his past. Everything is perfect in the past, but Jimin one mistake led them there. A very beautiful boy sleeping peacefully, but it's not long lasting. His mother come and remove the curtain. Sunlight fell on his face, which making him more beautiful. He make a powder and hide his face in his blanket. His mother smiled to see him wake up. Jimin see the time. Jimin, please mom, 10 minutes more. He said to his mom in sleepy voice. Mrs. Spark, Jimin, you know tomorrow is your birthday and your is also coming. Don't you have to take admission in university tomorrow? You have to give the entry test also. Jimin, oh my, so much work, Mrs. Park. Yes, so it's good if you wake up. I'm waiting for you downstairs. Come fast. They must be here in some minutes. Jimin sighed and nodded. Jimin, go. I'm coming, he said, and his mom go. Jimin sit on the bed. He take a deep breath and go for fresh up. So is Park Jimin. His parents fixes with their friends and Rohan. Jimin is not happy or not sad. He don't have any interest favorite university. It's Jimin dream university. Jimin don't have any best friend, so he don't like to share his things. Jimin is just 18 year old, and tomorrow he is going to be 19 years old. He's not excited for his birthday because he don't like surprises, and mostly his parents arranges after 1 week. That's why he's coming from USA. Jimin didn't set anything because Rohan he and Jimin stay. Rohan said he and Jimin stay Korea, so Jimin easily go at university. That's why Jimin is agree. And now let's see what's happened in his life, where his life take him. Jimin come out fully ready, and his phone start ringing. Why not his best friend but a good friend? Jimin, yeah, Wayne said. Wayne, where are you? Jimin, in my room. Where? Wayne, come downstairs, then we talk. Jimin coming. So yeah, they stay in one house because they are cousins, but lazy to go in each other room. Jimin see himself last time in the mirror. Jimin come downstairs. He see are already present there. He meet with his Mrs. Choi. How are you, my son? Jimin, fine. And fine, auntie, and you? Mrs. Choi, me too, son. Jimin greet everyone. Rohan, hey Jimin, how are you? Jimin, I'm fine. Rohan, and you? Rohan, I see you now. I am fine. Jimin, what? Excuse me. One, Jimin, good morning. Jimin, good morning. One, let's sit. She drag. Jimin, thank God you saved me. One, oh really? How can you spend your whole life, Jimin? She, you still have 1 week thing, Jimin. Now there is no way to return back. One, mom, dad never asked me for something. How can I say no to them? One, but it's about your whole life, Jimin. It's alright. Rohan promised me he'd stay here and I go university. One, hope so it's happened, Jimin. Don't worry, tomorrow I go for my admission. One, really best of luck, Mrs. Park. Jimin, one, what are you doing? Jimin come in the room. He take a deep breath. Jimin, huh? They are so moody and choosy. Okay, I'm also moody, but not like them. I'm also moody, but not like them. Wait a minute. Moody, but not like them. But no, what should I do when I am telling you, Jimin? Think once again. Jimin, that's again, not again. One, what not again? Jimin, listen, one. I have to spend my whole life with him. So please, here I am trying to convince myself and see what you are doing. When I am doing nothing, just telling you the reality. Jimin, if you want that much, if you are that much worried for me, said yes to Sohyun. Rohan brother. Jimin, no way, he's not my type. Jimin, so what? Like Rohan is my type. Still, I am doing. You also do one. Are not. I am not. Jimin, oh, what in? I said, no, it's about that company, man. It's also about your life, Jimin. Jimin Vani, I know you are worried for me, but please stay away from this matter. I don't want you also stuck like me. Van, Jimin, you are my best friend and you deserve better than him. Jimin, so what, Van? Now I have to accept him as a good friend. Tell me about his good deeds, okay? Jimin, Van roll his eyes, Van, whatever, huh? Hope so, a prince come and take you with him. Jimin, wow, this is not a real life. This is fairy tale, right? One hope so, Jimin. But unfortunately, Miss Wan, this is real life. One, that's why I am sad. Jimin, drama queen, go. One, you also come. Jimin, Yaya coming, go. Yaya, go. I am coming. One nodded, and she go. Jimin San, Jimin Wan, you are right. If it's about that company, then it's also about my whole career. So hope so. It's a fairy tale. A prince come and take me with him. Jimin, don't be Wan. She's crazy. A man looking outside the watching the sunset, and then another man come and stand beside his brother. What are you watching, Hyung? I don't know what is happening with me. Means I'm feeling weird, like it's the time. Don't think too much, Hyung. If it's the time, then you go by yourself. You no need to worry. He look at his brother and then again look into another side. If he is then he don't. I don't want to someone who is not in fault. Don't think too much. Just believe in yourself. Now go inside. It's already dark. You go. The man who is so cold and also the other one nodded and go. He see the sunset and then look at the mention last time and go inside. It's also a story of a man which may now lead him toward the which may now lead him towards the a man looking outside the watching the sunset. Okay. Here, Jimin is sitting in the living room silently. One, Jimin, yeah, said one. What are you thinking, Jimin? Nothing, one. Rohan, Jimin, we go outside for celebrating your birthday, Jimin, tomorrow. Rohan, after 12, Jimin in mind, it's okay. I think I need to spend time with him, so it's become easy for me to understand him. Jimin, okay, Rohan, but we all go, Rohan. Of course, Jimin, then I am ready, Rohan. Okay, guys, let's go and get ready. Meet me in the living room within 15 minutes. Everyone nodded and goes. So Wayan, Sohyun, Jimin and Rohan is going. Jimin come back. He's ready. He wear comfortable clothes. Rohan, you are looking good. Jimin, thank you. You also. Rohan, thank you so much. Jimin pass him a light smile. One, let's go, guys. Everyone nodded and get into the car and go. It's 10 p.m. It's 10 p.m. Okay, so my text is finished, so I repeat the text. Here Jimin is in sitting. No need for this. They play so many games together, do dinner together, and now doing walk on the street. One see the time, only 30 minutes are left. Jimin, it seems like forget about his birthday. Rohan planned so many things for him. Rohan is not a positive role or nor in. Jimin start to finding his phone. Jimin whiny. When yes, Jimin, where is my phone? When I don't know, Jimin. I think I forget my phone in hotel. Guys, just stay here. I will be back in minutes. Rohan, I come with you. Jimin, no, you stay here. I will be back in minutes. No, you stay here. Then with them, I will be back in 10 minutes. Rohan, but and here our Jimin take his phone and then he see two ways. He forget where he have to go. He start walking and then he see he come in a forest area. He check his phone, don't have battery. He becomes scared and start to call Ryan and Rohan, but there is no signal. He look here and there, and then he reach close the lake. Jimin see the lake is shining because of the moonlight. He's feeling so scared. He never expected such a thing, and who want to experience this? He don't have any option. He sit on the side and start to sobbing. He never imagined this is happen with him. It's 12 now, and he start to feeling weird. He stand up, Jimin in mind, what is happening with me? It's me, him. He don't know. Tears roll from his eyes. He turn and bump with someone. He didn't waste the time and person. He start crying. He don't hear who is he or where he come from. Just know one thing. He is also a Jim is still holding his jacket, and the man holds him. Both look into each other eyes, each other into their eyes. Jimmy see the man eyes is shining, and the moonlight making the scene more beautiful. Beside the lake, they are totally, then reality hits the man. He leaves Jimin hurriedly. Are you okay? He asked. Jimin nodded. Jimin, I'm fine. Are you sure? He is shocked how he is. Jimin nodded. Jimin, sorry. I just become scared. That's why are you? Otherwise, I don't have any attention. The man is silent. Jimin again sits on his place. What he is doing here alone in the forest and why I am here. He remembered the conversation between him and his brother. He is still 2 minutes past. It's mean he is my. He think while and looking at Jimin who sit there with the pouch. He can't believe his eyes widen to see him. He never think he meet with this like this. The man went to him. Jimin look up and see the person. Jimin, what you want? Can you give me your hand? He said, and Jimin looked at him. He is feeling scared. Jimin, where? I want to check something. It's making Jimin more scared. It's making me more scared. His sign as no the man's sign. He never asked for someone, and if he is giving him respect, then I think Jimin don't like. The man picked the piece of a glass and hand start to come from his hand. Jimin is widening about to stand up. He hold his hand and also. Jimin start crying. He makes the and see the shining. It's confirmed now. What took you so long to come here? He said in his usual cold, calm and cold voice. Jimin, huh? He didn't understand anything. Come with me. And Jimin signs no. Jimin, who asked you? He said and hold Jimin hand. Jimin is trying to free his hand. The man and hold him. And then the water of the lake start flying in different direction. 12 minutes, and the next one is when Jimin come back. And Jimin open his eyes. He see the living room. He free himself from the man. He look here and there and see the things in the living room. It's like a old mansion. Jimin is so scared and nervous. He speak something, but hear the voice. Kim Namjoon, you again break my favorite vase. Jimin see the man sign. I am sorry, Jin. I just thought to clean so you feel happy. Jin happy? Huh? Now I feel happy when you with my pink fry pan. He said I am his running and Jin is behind. And then Jin Jungkook, I said you give me something to eat. Where were you? JK, I am so sorry. I am just busy. Too busy. My foot you sleep on the couch. JK. And then Jimin chuckled. He don't know why he's feeling like smile to see them. The man looked at him. Jimin looked down, but he is laughing silently. And then Jin asked Falan Jungi, Jin Jungi, you come Jungi. What is happening here? He said in extremely cold voice. JK, Byung, nothing, just playing. He said, and Jimin started laughing. He stand behind Jungi. Jin, someone is with you? Jin asked, and Jungi hold Jimin hand, take him in front of everyone. Everyone is shocked. You are going to Jimin, huh? JK, sorry, Jungi, he's my everyone. What? With Jimin also. Aram, where you find and how Jungi in world? Aram, oh, Jimin is so confused and now scared from Jungi behavior. Jin saying Jimin is scared and nervous. Jin, come here. Jimin is feeling scared. Jimin, who you all and why I am here? What is all this? What is the world? Jin, don't worry, we give answer of your every question. First you come here. Jin voice is so soft to look at Jungi who stand there with blank face. At least Jin is much better than Jungi for him now. Jimin take a step slowly toward Jin and Jin smile. Jin, welcome in your world. Jimin is confused and didn't understand what Jin is saying. Jin, come here, sit. Jimin nodded and sit on the couch, but his eyes is on Yoongi. Jin, drink water. Jimin sign as no. Yoongi ask him everything and also tell I am going. Jin, where are you going, Yoongi? I have some work. He said about to go, but she heard a voice. Don't go. The voice is so soft and low. Yoongi didn't say anything. He stand beside the window. Jin smiled lightly. RM, you match the Yoongi. RM, okay. So first tell me your name. Don't worry, we didn't. You must me. You trust me. Jimin Park. Jimin. RM, Jimin, nice one, huh? So Jimin, can you tell me about yourself? Then I give my and everyone introduction. Jimin, my name is Jimin Park. Jimin, I am the only son of my mom, dad. I just complete my college and now taking admission in university. Jungkook and he is Jun Taeyang. He is Yoongi. Mean Yoongi. You're with we all are friends and we stay together. Jimin means I am in your language. Jimin. Oh, okay. But how I am is I am going to with Rohan. I am okay. Now listen. You are not in world. You are in world. You know the meaning of right. Jimin nodded. He is feeling scared more now. I am. We all are. See Jimin when. We turn into 19, we start to get the and we find our by ourselves like Yoongi do. I give you example. Yoongi is a royal and also a king of. If he someone as simple, then the on the spot no one can handle his expect his own like you. You are totally fine, right? Jimin nodded. I am so you are his Jimin. If it's like this he don't you all I mean like handshake and etc and we are his friends so they belongs to us nothing happened with them. Jimin nodded. Jimin, but is my rule in all this, but what is my role in all this? RM, you are our queen. We are waiting for you from a long time. Jimin, how it's possible? I am human. I am not a RM. You think but it's not true. Jimin, how you guys are sure? He said while looking at Chungi, who is looking outside. RM, you are still. We no need to prove. Tell me you feel anything when you turn into 19. A small feeling. Tell me. Jimin, remember how I was feeling weird? He nodded. Jimin, yes, suddenly I start feeling weird. I don't know why. What happened with me suddenly? And then I see him and I start crying. After that, I don't feel anything. RM, you don't feel because you are with your Jimin, how can it's possible? If by any chance I am, then what about my brothers? He may also. So Jimin have younger brother. I am no. Your parents. You. He said, and Jimin shocked. Jimin, but how you know? I am. It's in your book, and you alone, no sibling, nothing else. Jimin is now really in doubt if he is really. RM, you know what is our age? Jimin Sana's. I am 500. Jin is 433. Jungkook is 235. Tay is younger here till you come. He is 23. Jimin, what? He can't believe Jimin. Still, you guys are handsome and young. Jin, I am worldwide handsome and Jung is 800. He is waiting for you from so many years. Jimin, can you even imagine? And you just 19 years old. Jimin is so shocked. He looked at Jungi. Now you may understand anything. I have to do studies in your Jimin. I don't have any. It's you who think you are, and also I want to complete my dream. I have to take admission in Seoul University. It's my dream place, and moreover I am still not ready for all this stuff. RM, he is waiting for you from past 800 years, he said. And Jimin once again looked at Chungi, and here their eyes meet with each other. And then Jimin looked into another side. Jimin, I still need time to study and understand the thing. Okay, so you said we can't say no to you because you are our queen, but you have to come back within week, because after that there is a and Yoongi have to. Jimin is so confused. You don't know what is the meaning. RM, understand. Jimin don't get the point. RM, leave it. Come, I will send you back. Jimin, what's the time? RM, maybe morning now. Jimin, oh, they must be worried for me. RM, no, they will not. I already the time. Jimin confused. Jimin, RM, come. They take Jimin in the room. They come in the room. Jimin see the room and shock. Jimin, what is this? I am. We will tell you everything when you come back. He said and read something. Then the wall start moving. Jimin see he feeling scared and hide behind Jungi. He hold his arm. Jungi look at him with his side eyes. Jimin hold his hand tightly and then the door open. The door is blank. I am now go. Jimin, huh? How? You just pass the door and you find yourself in your room. Jimin, no, no, I don't go alone. I am feeling scared. Nothing happened. Jimin, no, I don't go. I come here with Jungi. So you want to go with him? Jimin nodded. Here you go then. He take his step back. Jimin, come with me. He said in low voice. His grip is so tight on his hand. Jungi, I don't take you here for a leave, but you want to go, so I can't come with you. Jimin, I'm scared. Jungi, you are the go. Jimin, please. He shows puppy eyes. Yoongi feels something. He don't know why he want to hold him. Yoongi nodded and hold his hand. He stepped toward the door. Jimin can hear the weird sounds and also the lights are coming. He hold his hand more tightly and they pass the gate. Huh? Yoongi come by himself now. Jin, why you sent him? He go and see everything. He realize he don't worry. His mind is connected with Yoongi. Yoongi can hear what she is thinking and also in contact with him. So it's not a big deal. He is a silent type person. I don't think Cookie, what you said, JK. He just comes, so he's nervous. We can't say anything now. Does he become my friend like Jin Hyung? JK, we can't say anything now. Don't worry. Tay nodded and Jungi come. Jungi, you guys are still here. He needs some time. I understand how you feel. You just find your L. He go. Don't be sad, Jungi. Come in the meeting room now. He said, Jango. Everyone sign and go to their respective work. Jimin opened his eyes. He see himself in the room. He sits on the bed hurriedly. Jimin, so it was a dream, huh? And then the room door open. Jimin see Wan and Rohan come. Wan, did you come home? Why you didn't tell us? We were waiting for you. Jimin, huh? How I come home? If it was a dream, then they don't take me. Wan said something. Jimin, sorry. Wan, thank God you messages. Otherwise, we stay there for whole night. Jimin night. Wan, no, it's still night. 1 a.m. Jimin, huh? But Namjoon Hyung said it's still awkward. Why it's becoming so difficult to understand? Hey, think Wan, I think you need rest. Well, happy birthday, Jimin. Thanks, Rohan. Happy birthday, Jimin. Don't go again like this. Jimin nodded and Rohan go. Wan, are you okay? Jimin nodded. Wan, okay, take rest. See you tomorrow. He said, and go. Jimin, take a deep breath. Need to be scared. I can see you and talk with you. Jimin nodded. Jimin, Namjoon Hyung, you said Jungi is my right. It's true. Jimin, then he have to in contact with me. He is Jimin. You no need to worry. You can talk with him through a mind link, like your mind are linked with each other, so you can talk with him easily. He clearly heard what you think. Jimin, oh okay. Why you are here? I mean talking with me. I am here to tell you, Jimin. If you feel any or something else, don't waste time and call Yoongi. Jimin, how I call him? How I call him? Or something else, don't how I call him, from my understand. Well, I am also saying you, Jimin, okay, okay, now I am going, take care, remember you have to come back before. Jimin nodded and I am going to lay on the bed. Jimin, where my life take me, I can't believe in morning I am saying why there is no reality in fairy tales and here are real. Jimin closed his eyes and soon fell in sleep. Jimin come downstairs. He see everyone is in the living room. Jimin smile to see the decorations and also cake. Everyone happy birthday, Jimin. Jimin, thank you. Mrs. Park, come and cut the cake. Jimin nodded. He about to cut the cake but stopped. Jimin remember iron words. Yoongi wait for you 8 years. Jimin. Jimin, he wait for me so long. And here what I am doing, celebration my day. Celebrating my day. It's me, him, and I also come back. Mrs. Park, Jimin, son, what happened? Jimin, mom, I am not in mood. Leave it. Mrs. Park, what you were not in mood, Jimin? Jimin, I just don't want Rohan. What happened, Jimin? Suddenly, Jimin, nothing happened. I am just don't want leave it. He leave the and go. Everyone is shocked and worried because of his behavior. One, it's all right. You all stay here. I talk with him. Jimin come out from the house. He take a deep breath. Jimin, what is happening with me? Why it's becoming so difficult to understand? And my hands, why they are? He remember words. Jimin, how can I talk with him? I don't know anything. Oh God, Jimin, Namjoon Hyun, you are here. He closed his eyes. He opened his eyes, and one drop of tear rolled from his eyes. Jim and Namjoon, when Jimin, what happened? When see the weather is so cold breeze, and uh, Jimin stand there. She about to hold Jimin hand. No, Jimin, don't let her. You he heard and the voice and take his step back. When Jimin, what happened? See the weather come inside Jimin. One go from here. I'm coming. When what is happening with you? Why you are reacting like this, Jimin? I said go. Can't you understand the simple thing? He uttered and the weather become more. One run from there. Jimin fell on the ground. He don't know why. Okay, 25 minutes and next this minute. Jimin opened his eyes and he finds himself in the unknown bedroom. He sits on the bed and sees Yoongi stand in front of him. Jimin remembers the scene which happened. He starts sobbing. Yoongi went to him. Jimin see him. He looked at him with teary eyes. Jimin, I become so scared. He said, and Yoongi closed his eyes. Whenever Jimin is around him, feel like the world stopped. He smells his and take a deep breath. Jimin is feeling safe. Jimin, you come, Jimin, I don't know how to contact with you. I call Yoongi, just think about me. You can easily talk with me. He said, and Jimin look up. Jimin, what is all this? We are, Yoongi, no need to. They just need to there. They can only. Who is? Jimin nodded. Jimin means Yoongi. Nothing for now. Leave it. Take rest. He said, about to go. Jimin hold his hand. Jimin, don't go. Yoongi see his puppy eyes. In this year, no one can melt him, but here see Jimin eyes is enough to melt him. After 800 years, Yoongi is realizing he have heart, which is Yoongi sit beside him and Jimin, why it's happening with me, Yoongi? Because you don't know how to control your Jimin. Then what I do, Yoongi? Namjoon teach you everything. Jimin nodded. Jimin, Jimin. You really wait for me so long. His sudden question make Jimin Yoongi remember the moment when he wants is the most, but he is not with him. Jimin, I'm sorry I make you wait so long, but I'm happy you still loyal with me. He said, being excited. Jimin, but sad you stay alone. His mood changed. Yoongi, it's alright. You no need to be sad. Jimin, I need time to understand everything and also used to of all this. Tell me, you help me, Jimin. Why can't you speak? He said while whining Yoongi, okay, take rest. I sent Jin Hyung. He give you something to eat. He said and go. Jimin, why so cold? You meet me after a long time. He need to be stay with me 24/7. Jimin make up out and then the door open and Jimin see Jin and she come in the room. Jin pass him a smile. Jimin also smile back. Jin, how are you now? Jimin still in shock. Jin, it's okay. We need you. We know you need time. Jimin, thank you so much for understanding me. Jin, which is your Jimin, huh? Jin, nothing. You will got to know soon. Jimin up. Okay, Jimin sit and stand behind Jin. Jimin Che comes sit, Che smile. He sit beside Jimin. Jimin eat something. You must be hungry. Jimin make up out and nodded. Jin give him a food. Jin, you are the first person whom you allowed to eat while sitting on the bed. He himself don't eat like this. Jimin, why? Any problem? Jin, he actually don't like. Hyungi, it's not cold, and Jimin, he wait for you a long time. A time period come when you want your the most, but you don't have. It's you also. He is king. Everyone ask for queen. It's also give him. The thing makes him like this, nothing else. Jimin, oh so sad. You know I'm feeling sad. Why I make him wait so long? Jin, it's not your fault. Don't think too much for today. Take some rest, and they are doing studies how to control you. Jimin, you both also learn. Of course, Cookie helped me the most, and the time period, everything he handled me so if softly. Jimin, what is the meaning of? I don't understand. Jin, look at him. His moon. They have flower. This is the sign of the and loyalty. Go cookies here. Bye. Jimin, see you soon. Jimin, bye. Antigo. Jimin, how he got to know Jungkook is here through his mind? He asked innocently. Jin San as not Jin. No, Jimin, they can each other. Jungkook entering the mansion only he got to know because he is. And when Che go somewhere, Jungkook also got to know. So can there like example he can't Jin. Jimin, oh, okay, I understand. Jin, you will understand everything soon. Jimin, hope so. Jin, okay, now I have to go. You sleep and take some rest. Jimin nodded and Jin go. Jimin, look here and there. The room is clean. There is no dust. Everything is perfect. Place things are placed on their places. Perfectly placed on their places. Huh. And soon he start feeling sleepy. He fell in sleep. After some hours, Jungi come in the room. Angel. He think and go for fresh up. He come out after fresh up and see Jimin sit on the bed, rubbing his eyes. Jimin, you come, Jungi. Jimin, Jungi, you can't. Jungi, you take me here. Jungi, Jimin, why don't you bring my plushie also? I am missing him. Yoongi, san, Yoongi, you are queen. Now leave the toys. Jimin, why I can't sleep without something? That's why I am missing my plushie. Yoongi, lay on the bed. Yoongi, it's alright. Do cooperate. Jimin, make up out. Jimin, make up out. Jungi, what are you doing? Jimin, good night. What she is waiting from a long time and now finally he get. He don't know how to show his emotions. He is feeling so peaceful and soon Jimin again fall in sleep. Both sleep peacefully. Next day, Yoongi is the one who wake up first and see the beauty sleeping peacefully. Soon his sleep disturbed by the sun rays. Yoongi see after so many years in Yoongi so shocked he hardly sit on the bed. It's happened after a long time. Last time they see the sun when Yoongi mom but when there is no sun. Jimin also open his eyes. Yoongi close the curtain. Yoongi looking outside, Jimin see and then again look at Yoongi being confused. Yoongi, what happened? Jimin look at him and then the door knock. Yoongi open the door and say Jungkook, JK Hyung. Yoongi, we are coming in the living room. JK nodded. Yoongi, go and fresh up. We have to go downstairs. Jimin, no. Said with first then I go. Yoongi, huh? Jimin said, yes, Jimin, go and fresh up. We have to go downstairs. Then I go. Yoongi went to him. He hold him and Jimin eyes wide and he take him in the Huh. He take him in the wow. So sun appears after a long time. Yoongi take him and leave him. Yoongi, so Angel, you want me to stay here or I go? Jimin looking down, he's feeling such a Yoongi. Tell me, Jimin, go. Yoongi, why you are shuddering? You want I talk with you with Jimin. Yoongi, go. He said while looking down. Yoongi, sure. Jimin nodded silently. Yoongi, go. Jimin, oh my, why are you like this stupid? He take a quick shower and go out fully ready. See Yoongi is ready. He's avoiding eye contact with him. Yoongi hold his hand and they both go downstairs. Finally, and Jimin come downstairs. He sees Jin and Tae. He run to them and meet with them. Jin, you sleep well? Jimin nodded. Of course he did. Jimin pinch him. Tae, where? Jimin shut up. They both chuckle. Jimin, good morning. I am Hyungi and JK. JK, good morning. Jimin, I am good morning. They all sit beside their partners. Yoongi, so what you said, Namjoon? RM, I think it's because Jimin come here. Yoongi, what is this? RM, I see the sun rising. I think nature and what happened with him? This maybe he can control the water. Yoongi, so he need to handle this. Yoongi, of course, RM, of course he will. The sun rises is the sign of happy and fresh. I'm happy after a long time we see the sun. Jimin, huh? Really? I'm happy. Then RM, everyone want to meet Jimin, but first Jimin have to control it, and also you have to him. After that he can meet with the Yoongi nodded. Yoongi, Jimin is new here and see it's been a long time. I didn't take leave. Give us leave for one day, please. From tomorrow we take training. RM, please. Jimin look at them with his big blue eyes. Jin give them Namjoon Yoongi, but Jimin need to handle his. He have to learn. Jimin, I will learn later. Yoongi give them leave Namjoon. Jimin, yes, they both drew high for JK. Wow, see our Tae. So here is the newest story. I will upload the previous one part soon. Hope so you all like. If you like, then subscribe and also tell me in comments. Bye bye. Take care of yourself. Sarange.